Welcome back to my channel. I'm Denny, and today I'm going to be putting this look together using my Revealed Smoky palette. I haven't used this palette in quite a while. It's from Coastal Scents, and this is the color scheme. So if you want to see me put this look together, go ahead and keep on watching. Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. I have a monthly mystery giveaway, and I will be giving away this little bag, and it has a couple of items in here. There's 5 items in here already. This is the mystery bag, so go ahead and check out that link in the description bar, and on with the tutorial. my completed look. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Remember to enter the giveaway. And as always, from my house to yours, love ya.